First, we're gonna rinse the vegetables. Make sure to keep everything clean before cooking. There we go. Now we cut the onions. Be careful, don't cut your fingers. Cut the green peppers. And now we're cutting the red pepper. Yellow pepper. We want the pizza to be as nutritious as possible. Black olives are an essential for pizza. Cut out the black and take off the pit. And now we're making the flour dough, the spelt dough. Add the baking powder. Our tap water is clean, so yeah. So now knead the dough until it's perfect for pizza. Now that's the best part. We put the dough and over it the tomato sauce, basil, oregano, the freshly cut vegetables on top, onions and olives, and some cheese. I forgot to put the cheese. Keep it in the oven like for 15 minutes and there you have it. Thank you for watching.